how to find a video on Vimeo. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can find a video on Vimeo. So I must let you know that finding a video on Vimeo is very simple. The first step is to um log in into your Vimeo account, and then once you're logged in, ensure that you're on the home page. Okay, so if you're not on the home page, move to the left side of the screen and click on home so that you can be brought to the home page. Then once you're on the home page, move to the top part of the screen where you can see the search box, and then type out the video that you want to search for. Or you can move to the left side and then click on the global icon. By clicking on the global icon, you have two categories. You can decide to search your library for the video that you're looking for, or you can decide to search all of Vimeo depending on the one you want. So if you want to find a video on Vimeo as a whole, ensure you select the second option here. But if you want to find a video that is in your library, you can go ahead and click on the one in your library. Then click on the search box and type out keywords of the video that you are trying to look for. So if it's a movie, you can try that out. If it's a tutorial, for example, you can just type that out. Tutorials. Then select the kind of tutorials that you want. Okay, you can filter that. What kind of tutorial is it for? After Effects, cinema, Photoshop, or just tutorial? Just select that. Then by selecting tutorial, everything related to tutorial videos will be displayed. And so in order to filter what you want exactly, move to the left side of the screen. You'll see the option filters, right? Once you can see that, you can filter by type. Is it videos you want? Is it people you're looking for, channels or groups? Then you can see categories. You can see live events, you can see HDR, you can see Vimeo 360 if you want 360 videos alone. You can see price, you can see license, you can see duration and the likes. So you can just go ahead and select the one you want. For example, I'm looking for a video, so I'll leave it as video. Then for categories, I want animation, so I'm just going to select that. And then live events, I'll leave it as any. HDR, I'll leave it as that. And so once you're satisfied, you can now go ahead to search through and locate the one that you truly want. All right, and eventually you would get what you want. Okay, so this is it, right? How easy it is for you to find a video on Vimeo. So that is it. Very cool. Ensure you try it out. Thank you for watching and have a good day.